President Sarkozy's been accused of pandering to the far right after vowing to strip people of immigrant origin who commit some serious crimes of their French nationality. His warning to immigrants and their children came during a visit to Grenoble, scene of recent unrest.
Je prends mes responsabilités.
I take responsibility. French nationality should be able to be withdrawn from anybody of foreign origin who's voluntarily threatened the life of a police officer or a gendarme.
D'un fonctionnaire de police ou d'un militaire de la gendarmerie.
Sarkozy's speech followed other controversial remarks and measures on law and order reminiscent of his time as French Interior Minister. The comments have provoked a furious row. Some newspapers and the left have lined up to accuse the president of discrimination and stigmatization.
L'article premier.
The first article of the Constitution says the Republic ensures that all citizens are equal before the law without ethnic discrimination. In any case, you can't withdraw people's French nationality because you can't make them stateless. That's forbidden by public international law. At judicial level, it's inapplicable. On a political level, it's extremely shocking. It means we're now reduced only to measures of elimination and repression, absolutely without trying to understand the cause of these disturbances. The row follows recent rioting in a Grenoble suburb after a man was shot dead by police. The authorities said officers were fired on. President Sarkozy's also caused controversy by ordering camps of Roma travellers to be dismantled and those found to be living in France illegally to be deported.